Hey guys, TSL here, back with a brand new video. In today's video, we will be making some bug fixes to our superpower training simulator like game. Now in this video, we will be fixing the energy blast. Because the energy blast, as you saw in some of the videos, it wouldn't really actually work and go towards the mouse. That's going to change in today's video. First, let's go into our create power script and go down here. Okay, so now most of this code is going to just be destroyed. We can, however, leave this, so we can delete that, delete all this stuff, and delete this end, delete this timer thing, and delete that. And we can also change this to just say punch, and I think that should be good. We just have to unindent this once. Okay, so then up here what we want to do is change the parent to game.workspace first of all, because I realized while testing, if you shoot an energy punch at any part that has a seat, it will basically just teleport you to that seat and make you be sitting on it. So yeah, that's just because it was parented to your character. Alright, so make it to game.workspace, and over here that should be good. Let's just change this to energy blast and energy blast. Okay, so now the next thing we have to do is make a local anti-grav variable, and that's going to be equal to instance.new and a body force. Okay, let me zoom in for you guys. We'll do anti-grav.force is equal to vector3.new 0, workspace.gravity and 0, and this should be multiplied by the punch's mass. Alright, so now what we need to do is antigrav.parent is equal to punch, and then we'll do down here we'll do punch.velocity is equal. Okay, so punch.velocity is equal to cframe.new player.character.humanoid root part.position mouse.look vector and multiplied by 150. You can change this to a bigger or smaller number. Change it to a smaller number if you want the bullet to go slower, and the opposite if you want it to go fast. Okay, so now what I want to do is up here we add a local debris variable equal to get service debris. We can delete this hits, this print hit thing. Our tagging, yeah, that's good. Get service debris. We can change that to just debris. And then down here, and I just like this better if it's just if not player.saveValue. So outside of that if statement, so right here we will do debris add item punch, and after 1.3 seconds. Alright, so now this should hopefully work, and let's test this out. Okay, so here we are. I press R and nothing happens, because a very important thing, this will not work actually if your part is anchored. So you have to go into your powers, energy punch, and also I want to delete the script inside of the ring. Make this part a union, so model tab union, and name it energy punch. Okay, so then just bring it back to the folder and make sure it is unanchored. Alright, so yeah, that's very important. It will not work if it's anchored. Alright, so now if we shoot, see it goes. And it's working with no problem. Even if I shoot right next to my character, it's still gonna shoot. And it won't get stuck, just like how the old one did. Okay guys, well that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and please remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Most of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed, and it really means a lot to me if you would help me out. Also remember to turn on post notifications so you never miss out on a brand new video, and I'll see you in the next one guys. Bye.